to my channel Coach IQ, Mapwork of lifelines of the economy. We do airports and ports. We first do the airports. Come to the north, that is Punjab. In Punjab, it is in Amritsar. Right at the western part it is. And the name of the airport is Raja Sansi. You have to remember the name because sometimes they just ask you the name. If it's asked Raja Sansi, you have to know it's in Amritsar. Next, come to Delhi, our capital. Delhi is that very small portion, a circle, and here it is Indira Gandhi International Airport, named after our late Prime Minister. Then you come to Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, it is in the city of Mumbai. It is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and Mumbai, you know, is at the coast. And when you see your Maharashtra map, you have a small indentation. That is your Mumbai. Next, you come to Kerala. It is THIRUVANANTHAPURAM. Right at the southern edge of Kerala, right at the tip it is THIRUVANANTHAPURAM. Then come to Tamil Nadu, Chennai. The name of the airport is Meenambakkam. Chennai is northern edge of Tamil Nadu. Hyderabad, that is in the state of Telangana. Hyderabad, remember, is not in the center of Telangana. It's a little below the center. And the airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Next, come to the eastern side, West Bengal. Here it is in Kolkata. Now Kolkata, if you see West Bengal's map, there are two A's. One is big and one is small. Above the bigger A, you will put Kolkata. And the name of the airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, which is again after the leader from West Bengal. We do the ports of India. Ports means it will be on the coastal part. So nothing is in the northern part. Everything is down. First we do Gujarat. And in Gujarat you have the Kandla port. Now you have to remember the name Kandla. I remember it. Gujarat has Rat in it. And Kandla, the sound is like candle. So connect the two and remember Gujarat is Kandla. And all your plotting is on the coast because it is a port. Next, come to Maharashtra. Maharashtra has two ports. One is the Mumbai port, which is on the coast. Below that is your Jawaharlal Nehru port. Now, Jawaharlal Nehru port was built later on because the Mumbai port was too congested. So, to help reduce the workload on the Mumbai port, this second port was made as a hub port for the region. Come below to Goa. It's the MARMAGAO port and it is the premier iron ore exporting port of India. So you have Gujarat, you have Kandla, and for Kandla, remember, it's the first port to be established after independence. So that is Kandla. Then Maharashtra has two ports, Mumbai and Jawaharlal Nehru port. Below that is Goa, which is the premier iron ore exporting port of India. Come to Karnataka, the new Mangaluru port. From here, the iron ore from the Kudremukh mine gets exported. And New Mangaluru is right at the southern part of Karnataka on the coast. Next, come to Kerala. It is the Kochi port. It is a little above the southern part. So if you see Kerala, you go down and leave a little from below, you'll get your Kochi port. Now we do the eastern coast ports. First we come to West Bengal, two ports, Kolkata port and Haldia. Now West Bengal has, small two indentations of V, or you could say A. Upon the bigger A is Kolkata port, the main port. And the smaller A, you can put the Haldia port. It was set up as a subsidiary port. So West Bengal has two ports. On the bigger A is Kolkata, and the smaller one somewhere there you plot your Haldia port. Then come to Orissa, Paradweep port. Now how do you remember the name? Dweep actually means an island, but in your mind consider it as deep and think of a lamp. So you get Paradweep. Below Orissa comes Andhra Pradesh. Here it is Vishakhapatnam port. Vishakhapatnam port is towards the north of Andhra Pradesh. If you see Andhra Pradesh from the north, you could just leave around, you could say half an inch, and then plot your Vishakhapatnam port. Below that is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, you have 3 ports. First you think of Chennai on the northern part of Tamil Nadu. Above Chennai, a new port is there, that is ENNORE. So ENNORE is right the northernmost part of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has 3 ports. ENNORE right at the north, the tip. Below that is Chennai, and then go further down, you have the Tuticorin port. I really hope this topic has become clearer, and if you have any queries, please post them in the comments below, and do like the video, share it with your friends and classmates, and subscribe to my channel to continue studying with Coach IQ.